today's paper about the term a president can serve in office. Some members of parliament are planning to bring a motion in parliament to change. It is so unscrupulous, so selfish for members of parliament to start discussing about the term limit of the president while our people are wallowing in abject poverty. In fact, the first thing members should have done is to discuss with the new president in office. How do we even eliminate poverty? How do we have good health facilities? Our children going to school? Discussing about the term limit of president at this time, that is selfish, that is unwarranted, that is very wrong. In fact, it should not even be talked about. It shows how I heard someone say the problem with African leaders, they think about politics, they drink politics, they sleep politics, minus development in their minds. Truly, it is now becoming clear that what politicians discuss is about how they can stay in office for long, how they can continue enjoying the taxpayers' money without helping them. In fact, the person who thought of that motion, from whatever constituency you come from, you should be, people should even collect signatures and send you back home. That's not the topic that you should be talking about. Really, at this time, no. It's sad. It's very wrong.